To connect your DJI Mic Mini to your camera is fairly simple. Now, the process should be the same across most camera brands. So all you need to do is simply start by removing the transmitter. So it's this big item right here that's normally in the center of the case. And then remove also a mic or both mics if you so desire. From here, you want to ensure that the mics are connected to the transmitter. So to do that, you're going to put the mics in pairing mode. And then once the mics are in pairing mode, so you're going to press on these pairing mode buttons and they're glowing blue and green, you're then also going to put the transmitter in pairing mode. So you're going to press on this button. And then when you see all of these lights on the transmitter all green, it means that they've been successfully connected. So from here, all you want to do now is simply connect it to the camera. So to connect it to the camera, grab this cable that you will have received when you unboxed the mics. And you're going to insert one end into the transmitter, like so. And then you're going to insert the other end into your camera. Now, most cameras do have these ports, so you just need to go ahead and open up the hidden section and just insert it into its proper port, like that. Once they've been connected, you then want to go ahead and mount the transmitter. So the transmitter does have this slightly lifted apart. So all you need to do is simply slide that onto the camera, like so. So you're going to slide it. And then once it's been successfully placed and you can see it's not going to move anymore, you can now start using your camera with the microphones successfully connected. If you want to confirm that the microphones have been successfully detected, you do need to ensure that the microphones have been selected or set as your default input device. So just go to your specific camera settings and do all of that. Thanks for watching. If you have questions or comments, leave them down below and I'll see you in the next video.